Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to show you some tips and tricks for how you can sell more with your e-commerce stores. Let's go ahead and get started. So for today's video, we're just going to be using a Wix template. And for the first thing, let's go ahead and jump over to the product page. Now, let's say a user comes to the product page and they like this item and they add it to cart. Or maybe this item isn't quite what they're looking for and they don't want to have to go back. So what you can do is if we add another section, let's go ahead and remove the background. What we can do here, if we come up to add, go down to store, there's going to be an option for related products. If we drag this out to the page, now the user will be able to go to a related product that maybe they didn't see before that they might like more, or maybe something that matches what they're currently buying so that they can have a set or something like that. But the cool thing is you can go into settings and you can select a collection if you would like, or you can have just specific related products. And just like everything else, you can change the layout, the design, the text, everything like that. But this is a great element to have on just about all of your product pages. The second thing that will help you sell more with your e-commerce stores is reviews. Now, I've already created a tutorial for how you can actually set this up. So if you would like to watch that, then be sure to click the link in the description. But reviews really do help sell more on your e-commerce store, because let's say you have a ton of 5-star reviews, then people will be like, oh, other people are genuinely liking this product, maybe I will too. However, if you don't have any reviews, then your users will be a little bit more skeptic to try your product. So reviews drastically help your e-commerce store. And again, if you would like to learn how to set that up, I will have a link in the description below. The next thing I want to show you is sending marketing emails with coupons. Now, what you really want to do is have something like this where your users can sign up on your website. Now, I've also already created a tutorial for how to set up an email list on your website. That will be linked in the description below. But let's say to incentivize your users, you want to say something like get 10% off your first order. And then when they sign up for your email list, then you want to send them an email with a coupon code. But now that the user has signed up for your email list, what you can do is come over to marketing SEO and come to email marketing. Here, you can actually create a new email. And in this email, you can promote a new product or promote a new sale or promotion that you're running. Then you can go to next and you can just select all of your contacts, or basically it would send it to every single person that has signed up for your email list. Then you can press next and send them the email to help drive more traffic to your site and hopefully even more sales. And now I want to show you how to create social media posts in Wix and be able to schedule them for certain dates on your social media platforms. So if we come over to marketing SEO and go to marketing home, we're going to see that we have like this marketing planner. Here we can actually create posts or emails that will go live on certain days. The cool thing is you can actually create posts and stuff that will go live at a future date. However, with this feature where you can schedule posts for later, you will need to upgrade to a paid Ascend plan. However, if you are a serious e-commerce store, this is a fantastic way to help grow your business. We can actually schedule emails and social posts for future dates. This is a fantastic tool if you do not have as much time to actually create content for your social media. And last but not least, let's go ahead and say we are on the homepage of our store. And although it is fantastic, let's say we are running a specific promotion like this free shipping worldwide on all orders over $40. So you can either create a banner like this in the header, or you can also use a lightbox. So if we come over to add, go to interactive, come over to lightboxes, we can literally just choose one of them, like maybe this promotion one. We'll choose this one. And we'll just go ahead and paste in the text right here. Go ahead and make this like 60. And there we go. Now we have a really nice end of the season sale. Then we can also come over to set triggers. We can say display automatically after 2 seconds on the home page. So now if we're on the home page, we're checking out the items. Then after 2 seconds, we're going to get this nice little light box that appears. It says, hey, you got free shipping worldwide, all orders over $40. Now, realistically, you probably want to have a button right here that drives them to your shop page, but I believe you get the general idea. What you want to do is bring attention to something specific like a promotion or a brand new item or something like that. But these were some of the quick tips and tricks for helping you sell more on your e-commerce stores. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys found these tips and tricks useful for helping you sell more on your e-commerce stores, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.